Right, Karabu. I'm just stripping this motor. You can see the address, serial number, client cell number. So this is still okay. On the controller card, they didn't break it, but they did break the screw. I'll show you just now. This was broken off. This pin here, which holds it in place. Power supply is fine. Broken that latch off there, and then they broke the motor there. So what we're just going to do is we're just going to unbolt it and put it in the house, but it's in any case screwed. The son accidentally broke this off. Gate motor is completely skew there, and then obviously they broke off the welding on that bracket there, and that one was forced open there. So yeah, glad they couldn't get it, but it's buggered. Alright, so we've unbolted the gate motor. You can see the base is still intact there. That base is still intact there. Now it's broken out.
I've lost all my strength now. I'm getting old.
All right. So yeah, our steel platform is still in place. Didn't manage to break the gate motor out like they normally do. What they did manage to do is bend these anti-theft bracket ears. You can see the right one's much higher. Didn't manage to steal the gate motor, but they screwed it up completely. So on the cover, the older
and
serial number, so we've got that.
It's on the back.
Yeah.
Look at them cockroaches.
This one they broke. There's a small section there. Power supply was not damaged at all. Controller card looks okay. So you can see this cover is completely broken. Bits and pieces what we have here. Section of the gate motor base. Another section. If we then go to the gate motor, it's broken. That clip there is broken. And then the gate motor base, where the bolts come through, have been broken out completely. Yeah. Okay, what do we need to do more? They didn't succeed in taking it, and then obviously the rail
They might have to do a repair on this.
That has been damaged as well, but they didn't succeed. So one great aspect. One thief going empty-handed home this morning. Gosh.